Dear students, on the behalf of Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City, at Department of Chemistry of this college, I am Professor Ramani Mudassir. Welcome to you of class SY BSc Chemistry. In last lecture, we are studied about introduction of alkyl halides and their nomenclature system. Today I will start its preparation. See preparation. First one is from alkenes. From alkenes, addition of HX. Addition of HX. In that first one, symmetrical alkenes. What are symmetrical alkenes? Symmetrical alkenes are the alkenes in which at the both side of the double bond there are same atoms are present. Then it is known as symmetrical alkenes. For example, CH2, CH2. It is ethylene molecule. See, when symmetrical alkenes is treated with hydrogen acid, like any acid, HBr. HBr means hydrobromic acid. In ethylene, in this structure, when we pass the plane through this double bond, we get two equal parts in this molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, it is symmetrical alkene, and it is treated with hydrobromic acid. It gives a product CH3 CH2 Br. One hydrogen atom is attached to one carbon atom and other Br group is attached to another carbon atom, and it gives product bromoethane. Similarly, second example, CH3 CH double bond CH3, its name is 2-butene plus HBr means hydrobromic acid. We get product. Similarly, one hydrogen is attached to one carbon atom and second bromine atom is attached to second carbon atom. It gives a product CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3. Its IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4 2-bromobutane. Now second one is unsymmetrical alkenes. Unsymmetrical alkenes. In that, first one is Marconi's rule. Marconi rule. Marconi's rule is state that in an addition reaction, the negative part of the reagent is added to that carbon atom which having less number of hydrogen atom. For example, propylene CH3 CH double bond CH2, it is propylene, is treated with hydrobromic acid. In this, HBr is dissociated as H plus and Br minus. प्रोपिलीन मॉलिक्यूल में आप जब देखोगे CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2, ये दो कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के पास किसके पास कौन से कार्बन हाइड्रोजन कार्बन के पास ज्यादा लेस नंबर ऑफ प्रोपिलीन मॉलिक्यूल में ये डबल बॉन्ड के बाजू में ये CH, ये कार्बन के पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, तो निगेटिव पार्ट किस पर अटैच करेगा, ये CH2, तो प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा CH3 CH Br CH3, और ये हाइड्रोजन एटम इस कार्बन एटम से अटैच हो जाएगा। तो इस प्रोडक्ट का नाम क्या होगा 2-ब्रोमो प्रोपेन, इट इज मेजर प्रोडक्ट। दूसरा एक पॉसिबिलिटी क्या हो सकती है CH3 CH2 Br, ये प्रोडक्ट का नाम 2-ब्रोमो प्रोपेन, इट इज माइनर प्रोडक्ट। 2-ब्रोमो प्रोपेन इज मेजर प्रोडक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिक्स रूल। Similarly, second example, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus HCl 1 butene, is treated with HCl hydrochloric acid, it gives product। इसका भी डिसोसिएशन सेम हो जाएगा H plus and Cl minus। H plus निगेटिव पार्ट किस पे अटैक करेगा, लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, तो प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा इसका CH3 CH2 CH Cl CH3। नंबरिंग देंगे हम 1 2 3 4, मीन्स 2 क्लोरो butane, it is major product, and minor product is CH3 CH2 Cl 1 2 3 4, 1 chloro butane, it is minor product। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम एंटी मार्कोनिक्स रूल। एंटी मार्कोनिकॉप्स रूल, इट इज आल्सो नोन एज द पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट। नाउ anti-Markovnik's rules are state that when unsymmetrical alkene is react with unsymmetrical reagent in presence of peroxide, it gives अल्केन, इसमें पेरोक्साइड क्या हो सकता है? H2O2 हो सकता है या बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड हो सकता है। Now see example CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr H2O2 in when one propene is treated with HBr in the presence of H2O2 peroxide, it gives 1 bromopropane. प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा हमको? अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनीज रूल इसका डिसोसिएशन किया हमने तो H प्लस Br माइनस, द नेगेटिव पार्ट किस पे अटैच करेगा? मोर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, ये इस पे अटैच करेगा और ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर ऐड होगा, तो प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. Its name is 1 2 3 1 bromopropane. It is major product according to which rule? Anti-Marconi's rule. And second product one is CH3 CH Br CH3 2 bromopropane. It is minor product. Second one from alcohols. इसमें फर्स्ट रिएक्शन है ए, reactions with hydrogen halides means HX. सपोज हम लेते हैं इथेनॉल CH3 CH2OH. It is alcohol is heated with HCl, hydrochloric acid in anhydrous ZnCl2 zinc chloride. It gives a product chloroethane. ये रिएक्शन में सिंपली O और ये H दोनों मिलाकर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव करके हमें जो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है वो क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन हालाइड. देखेंगे CH3 Cl and removal of water molecule. It is chloroethane. Similarly, second example देखेंगे आप CH3 CH2 OH. It is 1 propanol. 1 propanol is treatment with HBr in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Same removal of water molecule. The product is CH3 CH2 Br and byproduct is water molecule. Its name is 1 bromopropane. Similarly, next example CH3 CH OH CH3. It is a 2-propanol in plus Hi hydrogen iodide in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. It gives product. Similarly, OH and H, these water molecules are removed and replace iodine atom and attached to this carbon atom. It gives a product CH3, CH, I, CH3, and byproduct is water molecule. Its name is 1,2,3, 2-iodo-propane. 2-iodo-propane. Now B part is reactions with phosphorus halides. We take an example of ethanol, CH3, CH2OH plus PCl3, phosphorus tetrachloride. It gives a product CH3, CH2, Cl, and the byproduct is S3PO3. Its name is chloroethane. We can see that in this reaction there are three chlorine atoms are present. Therefore, on PCl3 molecule is capable to react with three molecules of alcohol. Now next example is CH3, CH2, CH2OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. It gives a product CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus POCl3 and plus SCl. Its name is 2-chloropropane from from 1-propanol. Next one is CH3, CH2OH plus SOCl2. It is thionyl chloride. It gives a product CH3, CH2, Cl plus SO2 sulfur dioxide and SCl. Its name is 2-chloropropane. 2-ethane. Next example is CH3, CH3OH plus PBr3. Its name is 2-propanol, and we get product CH3, CH, Br, CH3 plus H3PO3 as a byproduct. In this molecule, three Br molecules are present, So it is capable for 3 molecules of 2 propanol molecule, hence it is 3 time, and also it is 3 time. And the last one is CH3CH2OH. It is ethanol molecule, is treated with Pi3. It gives a product same CH3 CH2I plus H3PO3. It is also 3 times, and its name is ethyl iodide, iodoethane. So this is about your preparation. I hope to understand all these concepts. Thank you very much.